Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Tech. So today we're going to continue with our application, store application. Like store application is an e-commerce, so we're going to continue. We're going to add some images, some products, and we're going to style a little bit more. So if you have any questions, if you have like any concern, just commenting our comment section. Ask a question below in the comment section, and then next time I will get back. I will do a video about other things about all you need to learn about React native. So like today we're going to figure out like to style a little bit more, and then after that tomorrow or the day after tomorrow we're going to learn Nodejs, like to build our own API and then connect it with our front end, which is Store. So please share and like this video and share this channel with all your friends so that they can learn also. So I'm so sorry because I did not like the video next time. Sorry, but I was so busy. I had a project, so good. But anyway, I'm there. So if you have any question, you can ask. So I'm going to help you. Please help me to push out my channel to share it with your friends. So today we going to talk about to learn on page and then salary bit, navigation and so on. So let us move on. So I just want to go inside my project folder, YouTube 2025. So there's an error. YouTube 2025 and React Native and then store. Open it with Visual Code. Okay, everyone. So there we go. We're back again with another with this video. This video is very helpful. So this is what we did last time. I didn't touch it, so I was waiting for you guys to learn or together to move on or together. So this is our nav bar, right? Good. So I just want to highlight the status bar. So here I come here and then type status question about that sort. So I don't have like time to. So let me do this folders, and which is not necessary. Um, don't need that. So today I'm going to push up with this code, my code on GitHub and share the link in comment section. So just so you guys can help me to push up my channel since it's still new and I want to grow it as well. Thank you so much. So we're going to import status bar. Status bar would come from React Native, and we can import it as well. And then status bar style, we hope it's now good. Status bar, good. Bar style, and then in bar style we have to choose one because since like our background is black, I wanna do that. I wanna choose like height lighter content, then the background the background let me save this and then see what will happen. This is not working here, so I know it. Our background should be black as well. So you won't see it here because in our home page we didn't set it yet. So let us set it again. Start bar, come here. Stars, status bar, and then bar style. Come here, hide content. With content, limit home page. Good. Let me refresh my application. Let me refresh my application. Hey guys, I've just refreshed my application and now you can see the status bar at the top there, so you can see the status bar. Yeah, it's very beautiful. So let me go back here. So I'd like to add some style and some menu there. So just want to add cart, you know, cart icon and search bar, something like that. So to add search bar, you can come here, create a component, right? So React is like it's built with a component, right? So if you want to build your application where you need to create the component, right? So when you create a component, so that one will help you to use it everywhere in your entire application as well. So search bar, search bar component dot js. Yeah, I'm using this snippet so that can be like very easy. So inside there to create like a variable which will be usable in any component, you need to put bracket, and then inside the bracket you will name it your component. Yeah, you know. So now I want to create a component which is a search bar, right? Good. So now I want to do this placeholder, placeholder. Here, I just want to write placeholder. So to use to uh, like to create it, we need to import input. Text input, right? Text input is from React Native. We need to import text input. Let us close it. Inside text input, we need to write placeholder. Placeholder will be our placeholder we have just defined here. I will show you how to use it as well. Placeholder, and then I will I would like to store the value, and value will be this value. So I will show you how it works, and change on change text function will be also this function on change text function. On change text, come here, write on change text, right? And what am I going to do now? So yeah, everything's okay. So status bar. And I want to use an icon, right? So to use an icon, we need to install it, like expo icon. Just type expo icon and then it will bring you here. First, click there, right? And these are icons. But first, to use it, we need to install it first, right? It is not installed as well, but we need to come here, type again, icon, expo. No, sorry. Um, we need to import it first. So to install it and then import it as well. Expo icon. I'm there. Come here. Expo icon. Oh, this is useless stuff. So install expo icon. You need to type like install expo icon. Good. Come here, expo vector icon. Just copy this command. Come here and then install it. So I don't want to install it in this PowerShell because it will cause me an issue somewhere. So I just want to use this. So YouTube, YouTube 95. Okay, I'm here. Enter inside the React Native, and then come here again. Enter inside the my store. Right now, press this one, mpx export vector icon. Right, and then once I'm there, I want also to install like to install all dependencies. To install all the, but only this one will help me to go through everything. So just want to check. Yeah, it has been installed. So now come here, right? So I will use this one. Just copy this command. Okay. Once you're there, come here in your project. And I close this, paste it here. Means we have imported. And then come here, import the icon to use it as well. So I just want to replace this text by the icon. Good. Now we are ready to go. So good. And now what am I going to do right now? So just want to style it as well. Come here, put stylus dot contain. So I need to write to declare this variable called stylus and then use import style sheet there. Style sheet. I have imported style sheet. Here use style sheet dot create and then come here. I want to create style for container. So container, then inside the container, first I need to give a background which will be white. So will be a little bit white. Will be white, not black. So a little bit white. Come here, right? So first, I need to import this component in our navbar, so that we can use it as well. You can see it. So now here I need to create a view. You know, create a view. You can create many view as many view you want. So to create a view for uh, like for status bar, for search bar as well. So just want to import search bar here. Search bar is there. And now, so this variable we have just created there, this variable like placeholder, we're going to use it here, right? I have customized my my search bar, right? So I can come here, type placeholder, then there I can type like search bar, like search product. You can customize everything, right? Search product. And then now I paste it, will be able to see it somewhere. But because it is our color is like, but I cannot see it. I don't know. Text input. Come here. I've just imported. Hmm. Okay, everyone. So, like, there we go. As you can see, we have our search bar there. So, search product, and it's very beautiful. But now you can, as you can see, there's icon which is right a little bit at the top, but we need to fix it. And let's come back in our style. Come here. So first, let us style there. So let me write opacity. Opacity should be 1, and padding should be 10. It's a little bit big, but it's okay. And so border radius, border radius should be 10 also. There we go. And yeah, so let us leave it like that. But uh, let me write one thing. So okay, flex must be 1. Let's see if we put flex 1. As you can see, it's like it's small, it's small, right? So let us leave it like this. So flex must be 1 first. So flex must be, we need to create another view. But we can only start with this view, but we need to create another view for it to work as well. So the second view will be stylus and then start this. So let's create the bar a little bit like bar, only this. And come here, it will cause an error because the bar was not created. Come here, bar, now it will be okay. And it will be okay now. Good. So now let me do this. Let me do this. Let me copy all this stuff, come with it here, and paste it right down. Let me increase this. It's like as it is 1, the one is not good. Okay, it's 1. First, let us go back to our nav bar and then remove this flex. Okay, now we have just removed our flex. But as you can see, I cannot see like anything there. Let us put it back. when I do this, it's like good. Okay, let me remove it first, right? Now come here. Instead of use flex here, I will just let us remove this and then style it as well. As you can see, now everything is there, so it's not necessary to use flex, but I need to style something. Okay, let me put it back. Flex direction. So first direction must be row. First direction must be row. Uh, you know, it's like good. Let me leave this. I will style it later. So let me use this one. Flex. Um, Let us remove padding first. Okay, we need to put the padding. Padding 40, for example. Everything like it's okay. Good. I will style it as well. Okay, let me put it like this. Just you need to test it as well, like test your style and everything. You know, in a bar, flex direction. Let us put this one in colon. Then see what will happen. Good, it works. So now I just want to put a line item. Line item will be in the center for this icon to match with this search bar. And let me as you can see, everything is good. Now let us put margin there, which will be 10. Good, margin is 10. And yeah, everything is good. Everything is perfect. So let's try to type there. There we go. So like let us now style this input, right? Input, we're going to style this one. Like let us write stylus input. Come here, right? Mm, Input, because we have already have input there. So input font size will be 18. Good. Now you can see font size. But okay, it's good now. We are ready to go now, right? Good. Now, you can add other style as well if you want, but I just want to leave it like this, you know. But I don't want to add the button. But if you want to add the button, you can just come here, add the button. But I don't want to add the button because I'd like whenever I use type a name of a product inside this search bar, uh, it might show the product directly. And come here, just want to increase a little bit this icon. Yeah, it's good. It looks good now. Okay. But the, that's how you can create things. And now this value and on type change, we will use it by using the hook state, right? So let us close it, come back here in the nav bar, right? So we don't need to add other stuff, but I want to write down cart, right? So come back there, right? Right, search for cart icon, cart, right? So we want this, copy again. And with this cart, I will also create a component called the cart icon, for example. No, cart component. Get cart component as well. Cart component. Then in a cart component, I want to paste my link I have just imported, and then let me import also a cart component. Let me paste it right down. And in a cart component, in this cart component, I want to render the name like ads. Yeah, just want to render the name, but you can render another thing, but and then after that in the cart, right? In the middle, I would like to render the just only this. So in the name, I will come here. So I've already this one. View your cart, view your cart, and then style it as well. And also write container. Then come here, style it a little bit. Style it a little bit. So style sheet to be imported automatically. And create package and container. Style it as well. Flex direction. I want it to be row, so it must be in a row. My flex direction will be in row align. Item will be centered. And margin will be 10. And then padding will be 10 also. Good. And then good. So let me import cart here. So to import it, I want to write also a view. Okay, let me just import it cart. I don't want to multiply view inside. No way. I want to import cart component. Now I want to render this. Cart view must be in the name. So like, let me write title. Name is something else. Title. View your cart must be in title. I think you see what I'm doing, because I can just come here, write a variable, and then render and then use it everywhere inside my application, and that's how it works. So come here, title, and title, you want to write view or cart, view your cart. Now let us see what will happen. Now cart is there, everything is there, but we need to style it a little bit. So you cannot see anything yet. You cannot see anything yet. Background. You cannot see anything yet because cat is black. Let's put it white. Yes, you can see now. And this text is not rendered. Title. Why? So let me see. component. So we have just styled it like this, and let me try to write the flex here. It's not works. Why this text is not showing? Let me style it a little bit, but it must show. Okay, let me style it. It's because it's a black also. I want to style. I did not realize that this one is a black. So good. Write this title. Come here. Title. Title color. I want to write it white. There we go. We can see now. So now font size will be 18, right? And font weight will be bold. But I just want to minimize this. Good. Now it's good. Now we need to put this card right here, right? And then this view, your card will stay here, right? So to do this, just come here, write justify content, and then put plus space between, sorry, and then do it. As you can see, everything's a go, right? Yeah, that's how you can style stuff. But this card must be a button, right? Even this view, no, so this card must be a button, right? So just come here, import what we did last time with our button, import um, touchable opacity, right? I've just imported touchable opacity, replace view by touchable opacity. Come here, replace view again, touchable opacity, right? So, but here everything will be pressable. Even here it will be pressable. That's not good. Just let us do something different. Come here, touchable opacity. Copy. So I've just put my card icon inside the touchable opacity. So now here I need to put on press. On press, come here, invoke on press function, and then put my variable on press inside. So it will be used everywhere, on press. Then come here, style it a little bit. I just want to put a style at the padding so that it can be like touchable. But padding must be 10 also. Again, now I can come here, press. As you can see, it's good now. When I press that, it should direct me in the card page, something like that. So we're going to create it as well. So good, let us leave it like that. But now it's time to to code in our home page, right? So it's time to create in our home page. Sorry, I had some issue. So now let us come back in our home page here and come in our component folder, write product. product list, and then point.js. Come here RNEFE. So our product come in home page, change this name to product. So like leave it like this. So don't want to run the home page. So come here, import product. Product list is there. And then put it down there. So as you can see, product list is 100. So now I must come here. So I have some images, right? I have some images in my assets. So let me remove this, but okay, let me leave this like that. I will remove it later. So I have iPhone and then iPhone 11, right? So now what are we going to do? Because we need to show these images there. I just want to create another folder named constant. A folder named constant. Now inside the constant, I want to create product images, product. So like product component. You should capitalize product images. GS. And now I want to export this product const product. So let me capitalize this product. This should be like now. Let us create the product. We have ID. So this is how you can create the API. ID will be 1, and then ID will be 1. So ID will be 1. So ID will be 1. Sorry, we can create like this. So ID will be 1. Now images. Let me create images. Images will be, so I want to go out, then get inside my assets, then put images here, iPhone dot extension iPhone gpg, and then come here, description, I think I should write it in JSON format. Nope. ID should be like this. Now I just want to copy this stuff. Like, just want to copy this, use it. So we must put column there, and then come here, change ID 3 and 4. Then come here, write 11. So this is a new shape. So shape is now like shape. get. Now we're going to import this product icon here. So let us import this product. It is from product constant images, something like that. Now we'll be able to use it and then to display product right here. So what are we going to do now? Just let us create a view. Again, a view. Let's close this. Inside our view, we're going to evoke this product, right? So right bracket and then product. Now, what we're going to do, because this product has been imported, we need to map it. We need to iterate it to get inside our product and then find the images, find the product inside, right? So now we're going to period to do this period and then map and then parentheses. This is a function and we're going to use to give it a name like product and then product and then index, right? And then arrow function. And after that, another view. Another view. Let us close it as well. Now inside view, let us run the like product in text image. So text. Now like this one will be title product dot. As you can see, everything is good. So we don't have, I've just realized that we don't have a title in our product. So let's come back here, right? Here, title, title, title to be iPhone like 11, even if it's an i11. So we just use it like that because it's an example. So iPhone 11. We're going to create our own API. This is a custom API. Going to use it like this. Then come here. Then now you can see, you'll be able to see title. And then press OK. Now you can see there's only one. Okay, there's only one title, but I want to render multiple. I see it because it's like I render it in a list. It's like if I do this, it will cause an error. Good. Now let me leave a list like this. So first, the problem is I have rendered everything here, or I need to separate it. So just okay, everyone. So I've just separated stuff there. You know, I've just separated stuff. I've just put product because I rendered everything one in one list. So now I'll just run the things there. So now we are able to see stuff. So come here, import image. So I just want to import image here, use it somewhere. Then source of the image we going to use. So let me first close it. We're going to use product dot image and let's see if it works. Okay, there's no images here. Why it doesn't show? Because we have maybe put a wrong path here. So because we are inside this constant, we get out, then get inside. I think okay, we have just put the path is right, but this name is like It's not good. We need to capitalize. This one is good. We can. Okay, everyone, I've just realized that this is not a good way to write. We need to write here source. Okay, and then source, paste it. Now we should be able to see images. We need to write source and then after source require. Now we should be able to see our images right here. So paste it on this. We have an issue. We have an issue. This one should be, yeah, we have an issue. Okay, everyone, so I've just figured out everything. So I needed to add a require because we need to require from a path and then render it in our application. But I didn't do that as well. So I needed to do it as well. Now we should be able to render everything. So file doesn't exist, so we need to fix it. Product coming in a constant. So 11, 11, 11, it's like I for 11. Come here, it's capital, it's uppercase, capital, it's uppercase. Now we should be able to see it as well. Good. Now we need, as you can see, now we need to add our key here. This key will be index. We can write product index, but we need to write each product should be in one index, right? So that's how we can do it. It should contain its own index, right? So good. Now I'm going to, as you can see, it is not like scrollable, but I want to do it a little bit scrollable. And to do it, just want to come here and import scroll view. Come here and then write scroll view and then put product inside scroll view. Now we should be able to scroll it as well. So image is a little bit big, so let us come here and then add style. Style. Uh, so should add images. Then come here, create style sheet. Import style sheet as well. Dot gate and then images. Yeah. Now let us style a width. Width should be 100. Let's see what will happen. Oh, it's a little bit small. Should be 100. It's small, so we'll fix it as well to 100. Height to 100. Now let me write the 350. 350. Okay. So now we should be able to run this now. Resize mode. We need to put resize mode should be I like to use container. As you can see, container. Yes, it's good. Now we need to style this view. So if you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. So like next time, I will do it as well. Contain product, contain product, import it as well. In a container product, I should put everything in the middle, align them must be in the center. That's good. As you can see, everything is rounded in the center. And you can see stuff there. It's awesome. It is awesome. And I want to add a background. Background must be white. Then shadow color must be black. Shadow opacity must be let me write two, like, yeah, let me write two. And shadow offset, come here, width must be 2, then height must be 3, 4. And you cannot see it as well. Now margin, I should add margin. Margin must be 10. Now you can see it. Opacity must be 4. Must be 4. So border radius, but you can style it as well. You can style it like very good. I don't want to take more time. And good. As you can see, there's a little bit shadow there. And if I want to do this to change a little bit, good. Now it's okay. Now it is okay. Now we need to render again description just below text we need to render also product, like product dot description. Now we should be able to see description below. We can style it as well. Good. Now we are ready to go. And it's good. So let's come back to our images, right? Our images we should render something like uh, border radius. Border radius must be 8. Let's see what will happen. Border radius here must be 8. Let me refresh my application. Okay, everyone, if you can see, I've just fixed it something there. I don't want to run there again about the radius here. I've just added container here because I've created a product here and then added container, and then I'll first view inside the product map, remove and align item, and then I've just put it right here. As you can see, it good. It looks good now. So just want to style the text now. Here, style the text a little bit. Style title, and I should test right title from here. Title, right? Now I should write padding must be 5, font size, font weight first. Font weight must be bold. I like bold. Font size must be 20. Good. Now you can see it's good now. So now I need to run the also price there. So to run the price, I just want to create a view because I want to style it as well. Create a view. Create a view. Come here and then run the text there and product dot price. So it should like dollar sign should be here. And now we are ready to go. I should style it as well, and then after this I should add also cart here. Remember, I want to import cart page. I should cart component. The cart component should import it, and should I want to customize color in our cart component. So color, come here, color, cause it white, but should want to customize it as well. Good, it will disappear there. Come here, and now cart, right, color, and then run white there. Now it should be able to see it. Close it as well. Come in our product, run the code color, and then here I want to use black, and we'll be able to see it as well. Now press there, so I want to style it as well. Come here, right? Um, item prices. So come here, item prices, and then flex direction. Flex direction must be row, and align content, line item, sorry, must be centered, and then justify content must be place between, space between, sorry, space between, and then as you can see, we should be able to see it as well. And but now, cut is the price. It doesn't matter. I want price to be to the right. That's me. And I can run the like uh, yeah, now we good to go. So just want to add a little bit padding. Padding must be 10, a little bit. There we go. And I want to add background color. Background color. I want to add something of. So now it doesn't matter. Good. Now we are ready to go. And now I want to style this description. Come here. Stylist description. Come here to the bottom. Description. Then font size. Font weight must be. I want to write 300. Then font size. Font size should be 18. Okay. Now everything is good now. So my margin should be 10. Margin should be 10. Good. Now you can see product is here. Now first I need to, when I press here, so I want to render this image pressable. To render this image pressable, I should implement touchable. Right? Click touchable here. So I only want image to be pressable. Touchable opacity. Touchable opacity. So it's there. Come here and then import it as well. And come to the very bottom of the image. Paste it there. Now image should be pressable. As you can see, image should be pressable. Image should be pressable as well. Now, like we do, like whenever I press on the button, it should take me to the other page to show the product as well. So we will do it next time. I will do like whenever user press on the product, it should take him to the product, to a single product. To a single product, we should be able to render the code and show it. But we'll be using Redux, we'll be using many stuff to render the code and so on. So like next time, or I will do another video to do that, to add that functionality. So whenever user press on the card, should add card here and then display card there, and everything will be good. Hi guys, so I was so happy to share with you this or not. So I should be able to do another video tomorrow and then share with you guys and then add some more features. So this video was so long because it takes me time to put everything, and this one was the very long video. So other video will be very short because it will be like a very simple to understand, and I was talking so that you guys can understand things I was doing. And if you have any question, just ask me in the comment section, and I will do another video about all those suggestions and the questions. So please guys, subscribe to my channel, help me to push out my channel to move forward because this channel is still new. I want to promote it. To like I want to grow it as well. So please help me to subscribe to my channel. It's the only help you can give me. So I will do my best to help you guys understand understand and build your mobile application and web application from scratch. So that's what I'm doing right now. So thank you, see you guys.